Hello, in this video we're going to summarize what we have learned from the convection. First of all, liquids and gases expand when they are heated. So why liquids and gases expand when they are heated? Liquids and gases expand because the molecules that make up these substances move more rapidly. They gain thermal energy, and when the thermal energy of the molecules and atoms present in these gases and liquids increases, hence the amplitude of their oscillations increase. As they start oscillating with larger amplitudes, they require more space. This is the reason why gases and liquids expand when they are heated. So, the heat increases the kinetic energy of the particles that made these matters, causing them to expand. And when they expand, their volume increases, however, their mass remains constant. And recall that the formula of the density is equal to the mass divided by volume. When the volume increases and the mass is constant, what happens to the density? Yes, as the volume increases, the density decreases. And this means that the gases and liquids become less dense when they are heated. Then this decrease in density means that the warm material rises when there is a closed system containing both warm and cooler material. The warm material will rise above the cooler material because the warm material is less dense than the cooler one and the cooler material is more dense. Therefore, the cooler material sinks and the warm material rises. This creates a convection current. And the last idea was the heat transfer. There are different processes for heat transfer. It can occur through conduction, convection, or radiation. The convection is one way that heat transfer can occur. So, reducing the convection reduces heat loss. So one of the factors that reduces heat loss is by reducing the convection, since it's a way for this heat transfer. That's all. Thanks for watching.